real life app, Amar partner, Rashad Bhai's app, then Speak English, blah blah, episode or ChatGPT, some applications to practice with foreigners, but they are not native speakers, okay? However, you are bound to speak English with them because they don't understand Bengali language. I am speaking loudly. There is no one who will disturb me. That's why I am being able to practice spoken English. I can speak quickly, hastily, sometimes slowly, sometimes I can make mistakes. Who cares? But if you practice in front of audience, there are some negative sides, right? They will interrupt. You will be distracted, disturbed. Maybe why he is looking at me, I am feeling shy. I can't speak. But now there is no one. But if you're the beginner, you have to practice English in these kind of places. On the other hand, if you are an intermediate learner, you must practice English in a crowded area because you have to avoid your shyness. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. At first, take my heartiest felicitation from the core of my heart. This is Mehedi. I'm an English content creator in Bangladesh. Originally, I was born and grew up in Gopalganj, but currently I'm residing at Dhaka, which is the capital of Bangladesh. Today I have come here for a morning walk with one of my brothers who has come here from Bashabo, Salman Bhai. I have got fancy for his behavior. Overall, he is a very good person, alhamdulillah, and he is an eager beaver English learner. He wants to learn spoken English. That's why he has come for the sake of meeting as well as practicing spoken English. Inshallah, I will teach him spoken English. And right now he is making the video. Behind the camera, Salman Bhai is holding the mobile phone and creating the video for me. Thank you very much for making the video. Look at the place. This is a residential area. If you'd like to learn spoken English, you have to practice English going this kind of places. Because if you go there, you will be able to see there is no one, which is really interesting. If you make mistakes while speaking, right now I am not using any microphone. There is no microphone. When people will look at you, then you will be able to avoid your shyness. Okay, so this is the difference between imposing, serene or open space, two ways or two places I'd like to suggest. You can practice your spoken English with foreigners online by a different kind of application if I suggest you specifically. And also if you are a student, if you are college or university student, you can practice with your teachers or friends. So these are the ways of practicing English. Thank you very much, my dear brother, for making the video. So my dear audience, thank you very much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.